Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hotmail email account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in hotmail.com. After you come across this official page, click on the sign in option. Then click on the sign in option once again. Here, you'll have to enter your email address, phone number, or Skype username associated with your account. If you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create One Link. Then tap on Next button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Hotmail email account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.